Hi guys, so I'm doing a quick review on the PrimAcc wireless charger. This is from Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description below. It's supported on a range of Samsung devices, namely the Note, the S6, the S7, the S8 and of course the S9, and not to mention the Apple iPhone 8, 8 Plus and iPhone 10. I own the iPhone 10, been looking for a good wireless charger. This is more of an upright model. So without further ado, let's see what we get inside the box, run through some tests and see what I think. So a quick look around the box, and the basics of, you've obviously got the coils, the indicator light, the wireless charging surface, the USB Type-C port. That's quite handy because that was one of the reasons that it drew me to going for this, because I wanted a USB-C type cable, and this charger does come with it rather than the micro or mini connectors. So very little to see on the box. You've got some attentions to be aware of, but we're not going to worry about that at this stage. What we're interested in is seeing what's inside the box. So there's our cable, there's our USB-C cable, so that there. The instructions, which we'll have a quick look at, and nothing else in the box, and then of course our charger, which is a stand-up one. And again, I'm quite keen on these. I have got a sort of like a base plate model, and that's fine, you know, to keep it down, but I actually fancied something that was like more of a sort of like 60-degree angle, and I think this is actually going to do the job quite well. So yeah, it sits there quite nicely. Power button at the back, USB-C connector there. It feels quite light, does feel sturdy as well. Seems okay. Seems to be doing the job just fine. So there you go. So you can see I've recorded this video on Friday the 6th of April, and let's get it connected up. So these are the instructions that you also get with the charger. Feel free to pause them if you want. It's only a basic breakdown, FAQ, the indicator light, the coils inside the actual charger itself. Now I've actually had this charging now for about almost 47 minutes, and just to have a quick look, we are on 98%. So I think we were on 88% at 7 o'clock. I think it was 7 o'clock, and now it's almost 10:02. So that's about right for me. I'm not going to get the full benefits of the wireless charging. I mean, originally it was 5 watt, and then 11.2 came out and it's only 7.5. But the only way you're going to get the maximum charge, like the fully fast charging, is to basically go out and buy a power bank and the USB-C to lightning cable, which is going to cost you about 80 to 90 pounds, so roughly probably about 90 to $100, something like that. But overall, in terms of the use of this stand, I actually quite like it. So for me, also operating as Face ID as well, so if I wanted to look at this, I'll just move that there. Let me see if I can try and do it. So we turn it on, turn it off, Face ID works, and boom, you're in. So I think that's actually quite good. So overall, I think this is actually a worthwhile purchase. So as mentioned, for me, having this upright is actually a godsend. You can even watch movies if you want to while you're charging. Also, the USB-C cable is massive. I mean, it's roughly about 4 foot. So for me, that's actually quite a good thing as well. But for the price, it's quite good. Again, the link is in the description below. Nothing more to add. I haven't got an Android phone to compare it with, and all the testing has been done with the iPhone 10. If you've got any questions about the charger, please drop it below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. That's always appreciated. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video.